Over a century ago, Wallace D. Wattles wrote a slim little book called The Science of Getting Rich. Published in 1910, it has inspired countless entrepreneurs, creators, and even modern self-help movements like The Secret. But Wattles' message is surprisingly straightforward. Wealth is not an accident. It's the result of thinking and acting in a certain way. Wattles begins with a bold declaration: you have the right to be rich. Why? Because money is the tool that allows you to live fully, develop your potential, and express yourself. Poverty, he argues, restricts freedom, limits creativity, and prevents people from contributing fully to society. Wanting wealth is not selfish, it's natural. Unlike many in his time, Wattles rejected the idea that the rich get richer only by taking from others. He believed the universe is abundant, overflowing with opportunities and resources. Wealth isn't a fixed pie, it's something that can expand when you create value. That's why Wattles insists, never focus on competition, only creation. Don't waste energy trying to beat others. Instead, put all your attention into producing, serving, and innovating. At the heart of the book is what Wattles calls thinking in the certain way. This means training your mind to focus on abundance, possibility, and opportunity, not scarcity and fear. You must form a clear, definite vision of what you want and hold that image consistently. Doubt, envy, or fear will weaken it. Faith, gratitude, and clarity will strengthen it. In modern terms, Wattles was teaching the power of mindset and visualization long before it became popular. One of his most practical tools is gratitude. Wattles believed gratitude keeps you connected to abundance and receptive to more. By giving thanks for what you already have, you create a positive mental state that attracts opportunity. Gratitude, in his view, isn't just good manners, it's a wealth-building practice. Wattles makes it clear, thinking alone is not enough. You must act. Every day, you should do all the tasks before you with excellence, focus, and purpose. Not rushed, sloppy action, but efficient action. Do today's work in the best way you can, instead of waiting for tomorrow or worrying about the perfect plan. Wealth comes when right thinking and right action are combined. Another timeless principle is always give more value than you take. Wattles wrote that every transaction should benefit both you and the other person. When people feel advanced by working with you, your success multiplies. This is why service, integrity, and contribution are essential parts of getting rich. Finally, Wattles emphasizes holding a clear vision of your desired life. Imagine it vividly, believe it fully, and act toward it daily. Your vision guides your decisions, attracts opportunities, and pulls you forward. In the end, the science of getting rich is not about chasing money for its own sake. It's about using money as a tool to live more, give more, and become more. Wattles' message is simple. Think abundantly, act with purpose, create value for others, and hold fast to your vision. Do this, and wealth isn't just possible, it's inevitable.